Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix camera issue, or if the webcam is not working at all on your Windows 10 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. So the first step is to restart your computer. So go to the start menu, then click on power icon, then click on restart. Most of the time a simple restart takes care of the problem. So go ahead and restart your computer and then go ahead and check your camera. In case still you are facing the problem, then go ahead and update the camera driver from device manager. So go to the start menu and make a right click on start menu and click on device manager, or you can simply type in device manager in Windows search box and then open device manager. Now once you are in device manager screen, go ahead and select your camera from the list. So sometimes you will find the camera under cameras, or you may have an option which says imaging device. In my case I don't have that option. So if you have imaging device, so make sure that you expand imaging device, then you will find your camera. In my case it's under camera, so I'll go ahead and expand the cameras and then select your webcam, then make a right click and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for updated driver software. Let the update complete, let the installation complete, then go ahead and restart your computer and then check your camera. Now the next step is to disable and enable camera. Again open device manager and select your camera and then make a right click, then click on disable device, click on yes, again make a right click, then click on enable device. So sometimes disabling and enabling your camera takes care of the problem. Now the next step is to update camera driver from system manufacturer website. So go ahead and go to your website. So if you have Dell brand or Lenovo or HP, whatever brand you have, so go to their respective website. So in my case I'll show you for Dell.com. So if you have HP, go to HP.com. If you have Lenovo, go to Lenovo.com. So open the system manufacturer website, enter the serial number of your computer, select your model number. This is just for an example, but in your case make sure that you go to your brand website and then you select your model number and then go to drivers and download page. Now select camera, go ahead and download the camera driver and then install it, and after the installation restart your computer and then check your camera. The next step is to update camera using USB video device. So open device manager once again, click on device manager, go to camera, select your webcam, make a right click and then click on update driver, and this time you have to go ahead and select browse my computer for driver software. So click over here, then click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So click on it, then select USB video device, then click on next. Now once the installation is complete, go ahead and restart your computer and then check your camera. The next step is to uninstall webcam driver and restart your PC. So again open device manager, select your webcam and then make a right click on your webcam and then click on uninstall device, then click on uninstall to confirm. Now after the uninstall, go ahead and restart your computer. So after the uninstall is done, once you click on uninstall, it will go ahead and remove the camera from here and then go ahead and restart your computer. So click on the power icon, then click on restart. Now during the restart it will go ahead and install the default driver for your camera, then you can go ahead and check the camera after the restart. Now next step is to update your system BIOS. To update system BIOS, you go to the website of your brand, Dell, Lenovo, HP, Acer, whatever brand you have, go to their website, go to drivers and download page, then go ahead and update the latest BIOS, click on download and then go ahead and install the BIOS on your computer. Now before updating the BIOS, in case if you have a laptop, make sure that the charger is connected to your computer, the AC adapter is plugged in when you are updating the BIOS, and make sure that the battery is more than 10% on your computer. And when you are updating the BIOS, before updating the BIOS, just make sure that you disconnect all the external devices such as USB flash drive, external hard drive, printer cable. So you can go ahead and disconnect everything apart from your keyboard and mouse and monitor. Go ahead and disconnect all the external devices and then update your system BIOS. Now during the BIOS update, your system will restart. Do not turn off the power supply and let the BIOS complete. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and check your camera. So that should take care of the problem. Many users were able to fix the issue after updating the system BIOS. Now the next step is to perform system restore. To perform system restore, just type in system restore in Windows search box and then click on create a restore point. Now under system protection, you will see system restore option over here. Click on system restore, then click on next. Now here in my case, I have only one restore point. In your case, there might be multiple dates over here, multiple dates in time. So you have to select a date when you were not facing any problem with the camera. So select a date prior to the issue and go ahead and select that particular point and click on next and then click on finish. The system will revert to that particular date and any issue you were facing will be resolved with the camera. So just make sure that let me inform you that any software which you have installed after this particular, before the restore point, after the restore point, so any software or apps you have installed after the restore point, that software you will lose that software, but the data, whatever data you have on your computer, like your personal stuff, if you have any personal data on the computer, that will not be lost. Only the apps which you have installed after your restore point will be lost. And after the system restore, you can go ahead and check your camera. So the system restore process may take time. It will go ahead and even your computer may restart during the process. So after the system restore, you can go ahead and check your camera. Now the next step is to update Windows 10 using media creation tool. So go to Microsoft website, just type in media creation tool in in Google search, just type in media creation tool and then go to Microsoft website. Go ahead and click on download tool now. Then a media creation tool exe file will download. You have to go ahead and run this exe file and then you have to update Windows 10 using this tool. Now this process will take time because this will go ahead and download the complete Windows 10 file along with the latest update. So it may be 5 to 6 gigabyte of file. So depending upon the speed of your internet, it will go ahead and download and download the Windows 10 file. So this process will take time, so do not worry about that. Do not worry about the data loss because during this process you will not lose any kind of data because you will see that option which says keep your personal files and app. So by default that option will be checked, so you will not lose any data in that case. But this process will take time, so it will go ahead and take care of your camera issue as long as there is no hardware issue with your camera. So agree to the terms, then click on accept. The next option will be upgrade this PC. So you have to make sure that you select the option which says upgrade this PC. So here you can see upgrade this PC now. Then make sure that this one is checked. By default it will be checked. Then click on next and then it will start downloading the Windows 10 on your computer along with the latest update. This will get you the latest update on Windows 10. Now after the download is complete, it will go ahead and tell you to install it. Now by default, keep your personal files and app will be checked. So do not uncheck that. And then you have to click on next, let the installation complete. This process will take time. Your computer will restart during this process. And after that, you can go ahead and check your camera. This should definitely help you fix the camera as long as there is no hardware issue with your camera. Now the last step is to reset your PC. In case nothing works, then you have to go ahead and reset your computer. So maybe the Windows file may have gone corrupt or maybe the profile has gone corrupt. So go to settings and then click on reset. So click on reset this PC, then click on get started. Now before you reset your PC, just make sure that you back up all your data and apps, because you might lose data while reset. So here you have two options. Choose an option which says keep my files. When you select this option which says remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. So when you select this option, you will lose all the application and settings, but you will not lose personal file. Now next step is to remove everything. When you select this, everything will be lost and you will start it from scratch like the brand new computer. So whatever option you want, you go ahead and select that option, then click on next and go ahead with the process. Now I'm telling you once again, just make sure that you back up all your personal files and app, because you will lose data. You might lose data while reset. So one of the steps will definitely help you to go ahead and fix your camera, and will help you to get your webcam working. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your